So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use the MOSFET or metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor within the simulide 1.1.0. So how we can use it out? First of all, we have to search for our MOSFET, where it is. So wait, let me search. So here in the transistor section we got our MOSFET. Okay, so click on it and drag it out like this. Now you can see that it has three terminals. The above one, it is called as the drain terminal. The lower one, it is called as the source terminal, while the terminal which is on the left hand side or on the side of the MOSFET, it is called as the gate terminal. Now how it used to work: whenever we will apply a voltage signal on the gate terminal, the drain and the source will act as a short and starts conduction. So in this way we can use our MOSFET as a switch. Okay, now how we can do it out? Now we will go and we will take our incandescent lamp. So we will write here lamp, and this is our lamp. So this is our incandescent lamp. We need to connect the one end of the incandescent lamp with that of the drain terminal of the MOSFET. The other end of the lamp must be connected with that of the fixed voltage power supply. So here it is. So drag it out, fixed voltage power supply, and connect it with the other end of the lamp. Now one more fixed voltage power supply is needed in order to connect it with the gate terminal, but with a push button or push switch. Why it is so? Because we have to apply the control signal here. The source must be connected with that of the ground. So click on it and drag it out like this. Okay, now we will run it out. Now we have to make our power supply on, that is with the lamp, and now we also make this one, the gate power supply will become on. We also need to on this power supply which is connected with the gate. And now whenever we will give signal on our gate terminal, you can see that our lamp will become on. So in this way we can control the MOSFET with the help of gate signal. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the MOSFET within the simulide simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.